Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are draw and coloring alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue and now we are draw and coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. First we are mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. The alphabet of E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, the next one is numbers. Now we're drawing coloring numbers 1 to 5. So kids, now we're using the color of red and coloring numbers 1 to 5. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is 2. The number of 2. The next one is 3. The number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4. The number of 4. And the next one is 5. F-I-V-E 5. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we are coloring the shape of triangle and using the color of red. And the next one is circle. Now we're using the color of yellow. Kids, now we're using the color of yellow, coloring the shape of circle. And the next one is heart. We are again using yellow color and coloring the shape of heart. Kids, the next one is star. The shape of star. Now we are using the color of green. Now we are using the color of green and coloring star. The shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using green color. The shape of pentagon. And the last one is square. The shape of square. Now we are using the color of green and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.